40% of inbound calls of our customers relate to repairs. It is the #1 service request item. Obviously, customers love the convenience of being able to bypass phone lines and be able to schedule repairs at times that are convenient to them. But it's got to be done correctly. A lot of solutions are based around diagnostic pathways where users will answer a series of questions defining what the problem is and where, so that the correct jobs can be raised to the right teams. But often we've seen pathways that lead to a dead end. So for example, a customer will spend minutes clicking through, get to the very end, only to be told to call up anyway because a particular service isn't available. That causes a lot of frustration. So what we've been doing is looking for ways to circumvent that. We worked with some customers and used a tool called TreeJack. We gave the customers a series of repair reporting scenarios, and then we used this tool to create a heat map showing the typical journeys that people took. And then we interviewed them afterwards, and it gave us the qualitative and quantitative data we needed to create more streamlined, frictionless pathways that had a better user experience. You can also see here that we've been playing around with AI. We've developed a tool that can recognize common objects around the house. So for example, you've got a boiler here. This tool can recognize that it is a boiler, and it can even recognize its make and model, so that information can be fed back into a housing management system to often capture those bits of information that often aren't there. And then through speech-to-text functionality, a user can specify where the problem is and in what location. And this is really important because we can expand upon this over time so that people can speak in their own native languages and keywords will be identified and the right jobs will be raised to the right people.